Is your iPhone's Face ID suddenly not working? And you forget your password? In this video, I'll walk you through quick and effective solutions to get your Face ID back on track, and I'll introduce a powerful tool at the end that could make your life a lot easier. First, make sure your TrueDepth camera isn't blocked or dirty. Second, hit the front camera. It sounds a bit ridiculous, but this method has an almost 100% success rate. Third, restart service. This is the most common and cost-free solution. Whenever you encounter any iPhone not working issue, you can try restarting it. If you tried all of them and still cannot enter the phone, your only way is to unlock the iPhone. Now you can unlock it through Syncios by removing your Face ID. Step 1. Open Syncios Passcode Unlocker, and then click Start to unlock on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. If your phone doesn't automatically enter recovery mode, follow the on-screen instructions or watch video guide to put your phone into recovery mode. Step 3. Download iOS firmware. Syncios Passcode Unlocker will automatically detect your device module and provide you with the appropriate firmware. Click the Download button to download the firmware. Step 4. Start unlocking. You need to enter 60 to confirm the removal of Face ID and any other screen locks. Please note removing screen lock will erase all data on your iPhone. Please make sure you have backed up all iPhone data before. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart and will no longer have Face ID or screen lock features. You can now reset your iPhone freely. If it helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.